Sonora Scholars. My name is Mrs. Rains, and I am here to tell you all about your Every Scholar a Gift Makerspace Kit gift. This is your present from your Sonora Elementary family. So this is what you're going to get, this beautiful box. Let's take a look inside. Here we are unpacked with our maker kit from our Sonora family. Here you have a little booklet of instructions. Here is your amazing book, The Strange Case of Origami Yoda. It's a great novel. Here it has how to fold your own Yoda. So after you've read the book, you can fold a Yoda. And then over here, we have some other little tutorials. So on the back, how to make an origami corner bookmark. It's got some steps. And then in the inside, we have how to make an origami crane. We also have transforming ninja star, how to make one of those. Very, very cool. Here is a QR code that takes you to some more videos from the author. He actually has some videos on other Star Wars characters, how to make those. After you've folded with your paper, so all of this is origami paper, and you have like 20 sheets, and you can use it to fold and practice your origami. You can use the things in your little booklet, you can use the things in the book, you can Google origami, or you can use the QR code. Once you have created origami, you have a battery and a little motor. You can use your battery and motor and some tape if you need it to try to make your paper creation, your origami, move. So using just these things, can you make your origami move? And then can you experiment with it to make it move in different ways? So you have lots of paper, you can make lots of origami creations, and then you can try to make them move. Now, once you've made your origami or your paper bot out of your motor and battery, go ahead and upload a picture or even a video if you can get it to move to our Facebook page so we can see you enjoying your gift. On behalf of your family here at Sonora Elementary, happy holidays. We hope you enjoy your Makerspace kit, and we'll see you later. Bye.